In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or replace audio in YouTube video after upload and fix sound easily. To get started, open YouTube Studio in your web browser and sign in to the account that owns the channel where the video was uploaded. Once you're inside YouTube Studio, look over to the left-hand menu and click Content. This is where you'll find the full list of videos on your channel. Next, locate the video you want to update. When you find it, click the Details option or the pencil-shaped Edit icon. This opens the settings for that specific video. From there, go to the left side menu again and click Editor. The editor is YouTube's built-in tool for making limited changes after a video has already been published or uploaded. Inside the editor, look for the audio option, sometimes shown as Add a Track. This gives you access to YouTube's royalty-free audio library, which is useful if you want to add music to your video without worrying about copyright issues. You can search for audio by genre, mood, artist, or duration, which makes it easier to find something that matches the style and pacing of your content. Before choosing a track, take a moment to preview a few options. This is important because background music can completely change the feel of a video. Once you find the track you want, select it and add it to the project. After that, adjust where the music begins, so it starts at the right point in the video. You should also fine-tune the volume carefully, especially if your video already includes spoken audio. In most cases, you want the music to support the voice, not overpower it. If your video contains copyrighted music, YouTube may also show a replace song option. If that feature is available, you can choose a replacement track from the audio library and follow the on-screen instructions. Just keep in mind that this option is only available for certain eligible copyright claims, so you may not see it on every video. Once your edit is in place, preview the updated version from start to finish. Listen closely to make sure the timing, volume, and overall sound feel right. If everything sounds good, click Save. Depending on the type of change, YouTube may need a little time to process the updated version. After processing is complete, play the video again and confirm that the audio was added or replaced successfully. If you need to replace the entire audio track, such as changing the full voiceover, removing background noise completely, or swapping out all of the sound, you'll need to edit the video in separate editing software, export a new version, and upload it as a new YouTube video, because YouTube does not currently allow full audio replacement after upload.